Ready?
You know I'm always ready. They probably was. Every time I put this hoodie on my head, I don't know nothing about this.
All right. Oh, I ain't got no hoodie.
Dog must have slept on the
On the trail. And not allowed to roam.
At least their trail is a path. And that's not rough. Hey. Girl.
Lord.
Is it trying to turn back around?
Maybe supposed to go this way or that way? Go this way or
I've seen another car. I see footsteps. Oh, they grow some food.
Whew.
We haven't even walked nowhere. We haven't even walked nowhere.
Okay.
Like, this is so crazy. Straight. Hydrate. Look, Insta.
Oh, wow.
That is funny.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Wow. All right, we could take a seat right here. 2-second seat.
Right here?
No.
Where, up there?
Yeah, where the... Oh, excuse me. Okay. Highland Trail. Whew, Lord.
Huh? We off?
No, I was reading the sign. Ooh, Highland Trail. Let's take a seat. Oh, yeah, you always follow those. That was the pink one. The pink one goes that way.
Which one you want to go? The pink or the white? Yeah, I'm going white. Let's go to pink. Well, white is purity. So pink is love. So either one. There's a little buggies. Right, this would have been perfect. Little soups right here. Hopefully we'll see some. Oh, this one is interesting.
Right?
Right? Hot. Okay, where do we go? Where's that one?
It's my shades.
These trees are exactly what they are.
Right? They've
Don't
been
do anything to them.
nothing.
They're exactly how they are.
How they came to this planet. Labradorite. Just kidding.
Ah! Okay. I don't see another pink one. Oh, right here.
Yeah, okay. Lead the way, good sir.
Hi. night, Captain. That's the next way to do this.
Right?
I want to do the trails meet each other.
Whew. Taking in this beautiful Mother Nature. Following all the pink markings. Not sure it's where it's gonna lead us.
Right.
Right? But we're gonna follow them. And follow it back down. So let's go. Went from underneath.
It could be like right there. Is this the right way? I don't see no pink ones.
Look at that, that's red.
Right? Deep soil. How are we gonna get some? Oh wow. That's good.
See? Any more?
Yeah, that's good. Where's the next one?
Pink is this way. And then it shows us coming back. It has the one for us to come back. So this way. A stick, a walking stick.
God, I should think one of those.
Okay. Where? Oh wow.
So you think it's one lot.
All right. Sounds like we could turn around.
Okay.
It just brings us to a road.
Huh?
It just brings us to a road. Well, another like pathway.
And then where we go?
We go all these ways. This was the white. This is where we was going at first, the white, and then we took the pink.
So where's the pink?
That way.
Oh. Wow. They would have had to kept on going.
Yeah, to go to white. That's where we was starting at. Where we, yeah, we're going through trees and whatnot.
Yeah, we're going through the deep surface. The white is like, get you to the light. There is hot. It's so crazy because we have a butterfly.
Yeah, I saw that too, the shadow of it.
Butterfly.
Almost lost my ankle.
Girl, just did it too. Okay.
Almost lost the ankle.
Right. These boys leave when they get super.
Pink trail. Here you go, pink trail. Good exercise.
It's makes up for me missing those.
Okay. Probably one of the biggest trails you ever walked so far. There's a stick. I think I might need it. It's a little flimsy. Whew. Whew.
They say hug a tree. The best thing you can ever do to your life.
Think we made it? Oh yeah. Yeah, next time we gotta bring some picnic stuff.
Okay.
Well, people don't like that word, but I know what I mean. Have some lunch and whatnot. Look at this.